Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to add card on Apple Pay. So I'm on my iPhone and say you got a new credit card and you want to add it to your Apple Pay or your wallet. I'm going to walk you through these steps. So let's head into a settings here. We'll scroll down. If you are not able to add that card, the first thing you are going to do is hit general and then you are going to tap on where it says language or region. So you want to check the region to make sure that it's the same region as your credit card or debit card you're adding. So region, check that and make sure that is the correct country that you are trying to add it, because say if you are trying to add a credit card from the United States and you put your region as France, they might kick it out because that sounds kind of sketchy or fishy and they might think that's a fraudulent card. So make sure that's set to the right country, and then what we're going to do is go back and then we will scroll down until we get to wallet and Apple Pay here. Now if you tap on add card, it will give you a bunch of different options to add a card. If you tapping debit or credit card here and hit continue, it will ask you to just take a video or a photo of that card, or you can enter the details in manually enter in the credit card number and go through those steps. If it's still not working to be able to add that card, let's go back out of here and exit out and go back. What we are going to do is scroll all the way to the top and tap on your name at the top. At the very bottom here is the ability to sign out. I have my screen time set up which limits me. Let's turn that off real quick. Go to screen time and then I'm going to turn off screen time. So if I turn off the screen time, I'm able to sign out of that iCloud. So just sign out iCloud and log back in, which should help you to be able to add that card. And then once you've done that, the last thing you can check is if there is a software update. So let's go to general here and then software update and make sure that you have the latest version of iOS. It's currently iOS 16 and that should help you able to add any card. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.